Smooth the entry process for foreign skilled workers. It's a move that companies say is long overdue. The country's aging workforce is a growing.
If you are on the lookout for a job opportunity abroad, Germany may just be the perfect destination for you. With a workforce of approx 40 million international professionals, Germany is experiencing a shortage in the labor force and requires a significant number of employees to fill job vacancies over the next 3 years. As the largest economy in Europe and one of the leading economies globally, Germany offers employment in multiple sectors that are highly sought after. As the German Labour Minister Hubertus Hill said, Germany needs qualified specialists to remain economically successful. So, with over 2 million job vacancies, international professionals can find their dream job and enjoy the benefits and facilities that come with it. Moreover, Germany has recently announced 3,000 visas per year for Indians in IT, as the country needs qualified specialists to remain economically successful. However, some of you may know that Germany also offers a job seeker visa to international job seekers who wants to migrate to Germany without any job offer. But with this visa, you can find job opportunities while you are in Germany and stay up to 6 months with a job seeker visa. One of my subscribers, Priyanka, successfully applied for a job seeker visa from India, and she had provided her some useful tips which I have covered at the end. So please do not skip this video, and thank you, Priyanka, for sharing your knowledge and helping everyone. Hello guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. Today's topic is Germany Job Seeker Visa and step-by-step guide to help you apply your own visa without any agent. So let's begin. Agenda 1. What is German Job Seeker Visa? This visa is for 6 months, which is designed for people who want to move to Germany legally without having a job offer and then find a job when you land in Germany. So let's quickly see the pros and cons of Germany Job Seeker Visa. Pros: move to Germany without a job offer. Number 2, you can convert your visa to a work visa within Germany if you happen to find a job offer. Number 3, German language is not a must criteria for this visa. Cons: you cannot extend your visa. Number 2, you must find employment within 6 months, else you will have to leave Germany. Number 3, you cannot take your family with you on this visa. Agenda 2, eligibility criteria. To apply for the Germany Job Seeker Visa, you must fulfill certain criteria, like number 1, you must have a bachelor's or a master's degree from a German university or an equivalent foreign degree. Say if you studied from India, you can compare the equivalence of your degree from the anaben.kmk.org. Number 2, you must also have at least 5 years of relevant experience in your field of study or interest. Number 3, you must have enough financial resources to support your stay in Germany. Number 4, you must have a proof of completed academic or vocational training. Agenda number 3, list of documents needed to apply Germany Job Seeker Visa. Number 1, a completed German Job Seeker Visa application form, which is obvious. Number 2, a passport with at least 6 months of validity. Number 3, 3 passport style photos that are identical and high quality. Number 4, prove that you have accommodation in Germany during your job seeking period. Number 5, prove that you have purchased health insurance policy for foreign workers in Germany. Number 6, a cover letter that explains the purpose of your visit, how you plan to find employment, and your alternative career plans if you cannot find a job. Number 7, proof of academic qualifications, such as your diploma or other proof of academic qualifications from a German or a non-German university. Number 8, you should also attach any certificates of previous work experience. Number 9, salary slips of at least 3 months of your present organization. Number 10, your CV. Number 11, proof of financial resources, which could be a bank statement, a letter of sponsorship by another person, a combination of both, or a blocked bank account. You must have roughly 4 to 6 lakhs in Indian rupees in your blocked account. You can use any international banks like she used ICICI Bank. Number 12, if you're a medical coder like Priyanka, you also need to submit the CPC license certificate. Number 13, you need to have 2 sets of documents which needs to be arranged in order according to the list of docs they provided to you. See the online form from here. Links are also provided in my video description. It's important to know that all documents must be produced in German or English. If they are not in one of these languages, then you need to provide a translation into Germany by a recognized translator. All official documents must also be provided in a translated, attested, and legalized version. Depending on the embassy or consulate in your country, they may ask ask for extra documents. So make sure to check with them before you apply. Agenda 4, visa application steps. Once you have all your documents ready as per Agenda 3, you should follow few simple steps like step 1, completing the visa application form. Once you have completed the form, don't forget to print it and sign it at the end. Step 2, schedule an appointment with the embassy or the consulate that you have identified as the right one for you near your region. Step 3, visit the embassy or the consulate. Step 4, pay the visa fee, which is around 75 euros, and attach the payment slip to your application. Step 5, give interview and submit your application. The final stage is submitting your application at the embassy or consulate on the day of your visa appointment. You'll also have an interview related to your application. This is your opportunity to share your motivation for applying, what type of work you plan on pursuing in Germany, and how long you plan on staying. Agenda 5, decision regarding your visa. If you're successful, you'll receive all your documents at your home, or you can collect from the embassy. For Priyanka, it took 15 days after submitting the application. For visa denial, you'll receive a notification from the embassy explaining the reason for the denial and offering guidance on what to do next. Agenda 6, pro tips. Number 1, health insurance. Priyanka said none of the insurance like TK, Schengen, Dr. Walter, Alliance Care, Reliance Care worked for this visa. Only Expatrio health and travel insurance worked for her. So make a note of it, guys. In fact, her visa was rejected twice because of this reason. Number 2, some of the examples of German interview questions were: why do you count on Germany for your job? Number 2, any family or friends in Germany? Number 3, language courses you are applying for? Number 4, why didn't you apply for a job first rather than this visa? So make sure you do a thorough research regarding your field and use job sites like LinkedIn, Zing, Stepstone, Monster, and Indeed, and analyze the job market for your profile. Also try to show that you have contacted few recruiters and you're planning to meet them face to face when you will land in Germany. Number 3, since there's a lot of paperwork and documents involved, it may take a lot of time for your preparation. For Priyanka, it took almost 6 months from the preparation time till finally she got her visa. Number 4, as soon as you enter the country, you must register your temporary address in Germany at your local registration office. You're required to do this 2 weeks after entering the country. So that's all for today's video. Before I wrap this video, I encourage all of you to apply for a job seeker visa if you want to migrate to Germany. And if you want me to interview Priyanka to answer any of your burning questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching my video till the end, and I'll see you guys soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.